Ever wondered how to iterate over an object's properties in JavaScript? It's simpler than you might think, thanks to a handy tool called the for-in loop. It's a powerful feature of JavaScript that allows you to traverse all enumerable properties of an object. And yes, that includes properties inherited from its prototype chain. The for-in loop shines brightest when working with objects, as it iterates over keys or property names rather than values. Here's how the syntax looks. For variable in object. Don't get lost in the syntax. The variable is a placeholder that represents a different property name or key in each iteration. The object, on the other hand, is the object you're iterating over. Now, let's put theory into practice. Imagine we have a simple object, person, with properties name, age, and city. Const person equals sign. We can use a for-in loop to iterate over person like so. For let key in person. In this scenario, key represents the property name in each iteration, and person accesses the value associated with the current property in the person object. It's important to note a few things about the for-in loop. First, the order in which properties return is not guaranteed. It can vary across different JavaScript engines and runtime environments. Second, while you can use for-in loops to iterate over arrays, it can produce unexpected results. This is due to the enumeration over array indices and inherited properties. So when dealing with arrays, it's safer to stick with a for loop or the for each method. Here's a quick example of how a for-in loop would work with an array. Const fruits equals sign, for, let index in fruits. But remember, when working with arrays in JavaScript, it's generally best practice to use methods like for each, map, filter, or reduce. So, to recap, the for-in loop is a powerful JavaScript feature that allows you to iterate over the keys or property names of an object. It's easy to use, flexible, and a great tool to have in your JavaScript toolkit. Just remember, when working with arrays, stick with methods like for each for predictable, reliable results. Happy coding!